Good afternoon from MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless 2019 model. This is Boston Whaler's all-purpose boat. We use inshore and offshore. We ordered this boat in the light gray and white with the white rub rails, the stainless steel insert, and fiberglass T-top. Just walking around the boat here. You notice we ordered this with the white 350 Mercury Verado. Pushes this boat wide open throttle, I think about 55 miles an hour. To ideal cruising speed, we get about 290 miles to take a guess. This particular boat we did order with hydraulic trim taps. Standing in the boat now, just want to point out a couple things. Aft there is a folding bench seat. Raw water wash down. Freshwater shower, a forward and aft facing helm seat with live well, rod holders, digital throttle control, tilt wheel, fusion stereo. Walking forward, we did get the optional pump out head. The bow of the boat, we did get the flip up seating, optional cushions, forward of the center console, it's additional seating, and a second live well. If you have questions about this boat, please contact us here at the store, 251-981-1113. Thank you.